Hello and welcome from me and Remy for episode 4 of Vlogmas. Thank you for coming back for another episode. I am currently puppy sitting little Remy, but just for the day this time. I will link my video up here when I was puppy sitting Remy for a week when my brother and sister-in-law were away. That's who Remy is. So he's my nephew. He's the same breed as Merlot, a Yorkie. And he's so sweet. So he's gonna be with me today, coming along for the adventures. He wants to go down. I also wanted to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm going to be starting to get my gifts together for Christmas, and that includes some of the personalized gifts that I'm going to be giving this year that I am making with my Cricut Maker 3. I have so many ideas, and I just think giving something personal, either as the sole gift or along with your gift during Christmas or the holidays, whatever holiday that you celebrate, I just think that's something so special and thoughtful, and that's really what I value most about gift giving, is making it something special and unique to that person. So I'm gonna be doing a couple of DIYs with you today, and then starting to gift wrap some of the gifts that I did purchase. Come on, this dog is so cute. All while puppy sitting Remy. We should make an ornament for you, Remy. We'll have to make something for Remy. So I purchased a big pack of these. I'll link them down below, from Amazon. So it's a piece of clear acrylic. They're 3 inches. I probably could have gone for the 5-inch, but these will be really cute and like to personalize and make as gifts. So I have a couple of different ideas for these. It also came with ribbon, but I also have some other ribbons downstairs that I can use to like make the ornament part, the loop that would go on your tree. So I'm really excited. So there's a film on it. It is clear acrylic, but there's a film on it to protect until you're ready to peel it off. I also got some boxes to put them in so that they can be wrapped up like a true present. So I really wanted to make these for the many people in my life that I want to give a personalized gift to. With that, I also got a bunch of different materials from Cricut to make these DIY projects. I like using the smart vinyl for my projects because you don't need to use a mat with them. So this is the permanent white smart vinyl, and then permanent black. So that's probably what I'll be using. I also have some more holiday colors that I'll probably be using for my ornaments. But there's so many different materials and colors that you can use for your DIY projects. So I just got started in the Cricut design space, and again, this part usually takes me the longest because there's so many options, and although it's very easy, I just like to be a perfectionist and go through all of the different options. So I made the same size in a circle shape, and then I'm going to be making some of the personal ornaments that I want. I'm making one for Remy, of course. He was born last year, so I put last year's date on it. So this ornament is a year late, but my cousin's got a new dog named Rocco, so I put his name and the 2021, so I'll give it to them at Christmas. If I'm making one for Remy, I need to make one for Merlot, so I'm just gonna copy and paste and put Merlot's name in here. And then I could just resize it. Merlot was born in 2008. What I did with the little paw, and I got the paw from Images, and there's so many different shapes. Like there's a Merry Christmas one that I think I'm gonna use as is because I really like this. So let me put this in my design space as well. Here I just typed in paw print, and there's so many to choose from. There's a couple of ways I can do this. I can put it next to the year, which would be cute, and I can center it that way. But what I did with the Rocco's name is I replaced the O. So I ungrouped the letters so that each one was individual, and I just pulled out whatever letter I wanted to replace. And then I just made it touch the R so that it looked like it was in line. It might not make sense because it's an E. So I'm gonna play around with this a little bit. I might end up putting the paw just next to the year. I could do that with Merlot's name. This is another one that I made for my brother and sister-in-law that got married this year. So this is actually an image that I also found on the Cricut design space. There are so many creators on here that post their work, so it's really easy to find something that works for you, and then I just put the date. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these with my Cricut Maker 3. I just can't wait to see how they're gonna look. I'm gonna use my mat here as a little extra grip because I'm working with small, intricate letters. And it just makes it so much easier. Now I'm gonna take a piece of transfer tape, carefully apply it to my design. Sometimes it needs a little extra pressure from the top. There we go. So now I'm going to take the protective layer off of my ornament. I'm only going to take off the top for now. I'm actually going to use my mat as a line guide to make sure that I am applying the letters straight. Oh, it looks so good. That's the first piece, and then I'm gonna put the year underneath. Hello. Do you want to go outside? Go. I just warmed up my food. I have had a very busy day at work, but I just had a really long but productive meeting with my team, and I am really focusing today on doing a lot of onboarding sessions with the new team members. So if you haven't been following my vlog, I work on a project, so I'm at work, I'm transitioning off of my current project and onto a new project, but the person that I'm transitioning to is new, so I'm training them and onboarding them to my project, and this is supposed to be my last week, so I'm really focusing on doing a lot of that transfer. As you can tell, I haven't been on video. I'm just trying to like focus on my work to get all of that done today. So I just am taking a break for lunch. Thank goodness that my mother did some beautiful meal prep. She made this all in the oven in like one pan. We'll have to do a video together. I'm seeing your comments, and I know we want to do meal prep. I think that'll be really great to do like in January. So we're gonna do some meal prep January videos. This is like one of her signature meals that she makes in the oven. So like super easy because you just put everything in one big pan. So there's some potatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, chicken, and then I'm gonna put, it doesn't need it because like all of the flavors are marinated together so beautifully, but I'm obsessed with this sauce lately, and this was actually the wedding favor at my brother and sister-in-law's wedding. So it's Union chicken peri-peri sauce, and it's the best peri-peri sauce that I've ever had. So if you have a Union chicken near you, there's a couple of locations in the GTA. I recommend that you need to try it. After work, I'm gonna be wrapping up the ornaments that I made yesterday. They came out so cute, like so cute, better than I even thought, and I'm excited to wrap them all up tonight. Now it's time to wrap up my ornaments. I got these boxes also from Amazon, and I'm gonna use them to put the ornaments that I made inside. It's the perfect size for the ornament. I'm just gonna wrap it in some tissue paper. I also cut out these tags using my Cricut on some glitter cardstock, and I'm gonna use these to label the gifts. Ta-da! This is the finished product, a wrapped present. Now I have so many more to do because I made so many ornaments. I'm gifting them to everyone in my life. Not only are they going to be such a great gift, but they were a lot of fun to make too, getting creative and making personalized gifts for everyone, including the tags. This is a little bit more of a close-up of the different ornaments that I made. So of course this one is for Remy. Too bad he's not here anymore to see it, but I'll gift it to them for Christmas. And then also the first Christmas married. So it's really nice that not only are you personalizing what the message says, what vinyl, what lettering, any of the, like, the design aspect, but then you can customize the bows to finish it off to match the decor that they may have. Oh, and last but not least, I also made this snowflake, and I actually used some nail polish and fake snow on the back to give it a faux snow look. So this was another design that I was playing with. So it's not as personal as some of the other ones that I made, but I thought that this was something special too. Anyways, that is about it for this video. Thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video once again. I had so much fun making all of these gifts, and now I'm done Christmas shopping. I ordered my presents and then I finished making these, so I am done. Thank you so much for watching this video, another episode of Vlogmas, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!